Hey guys, Red here. I'm back. Hope you're doing well. I've got another two pedals here by Warm Audio. Now the guys are launching the Pedall76, which, as you can see, is they take on 1176 compressor, the studio compressor, and this is the pedal version of it. This also features a Cinemag transformer, American-made transformer, which adds much more detail and provides a much richer sound. And this is the WAC1, a very lushy and wide chorus, very pleasing chorus. Even if you're not a chorus guy, you're gonna love this thing. So we're gonna dive right into it. Check out some tones. These are both obviously analog, and they work on 9-volt batteries as well if you like. Okay, I want to thank Guitar Garage Bondi once again, Studio Connections Australia, and obviously Warm Audio for sending the pedals to me. So without further ado, let's check them out. Okay, so this sort of compressor, guys, they have what they call fixed threshold. Like other compressors, they have the threshold knob. This one, if you think of it as a fixed line, there will be your threshold, and instead of moving the threshold up and down, you're going to increase or decrease your input signal. That's why you got input slash compression there. Then how much it's going to knock down your gain, it's on ratio. You're going to set it here, and how to compensate by the volume you're going to lose, it's on the output. You get more volume out of it to compensate with the output knob. The VU meter will show you when the compression is working, when the pedal is working, and you got here attack, how fast or slow it's going to grab your note, and release, how fast or slow it's going to take for it to stop compressing that note. Okay, so better than talking about it, I'm going to just show you some sounds and the pedal working so you can see it for yourself. Okay, so that's my clean signal. Turn it off, it's already dead. You know what I mean? So it changes completely the way, the dynamics of it, and it's not just a compressor as well. It works, it makes your guitar tone, it brings the bottom end up as well in a really nice way. See how rich it is as well because of that transformer. Check this out. And say if you want to play funk, you want a fast release, and I'm gonna leave it here and check this out. gonna show you how it works now with some overdrive. Yeah, here. All right. So let's see what it does. This is an incredible pedal because it has this little preamp here. It was originally designed to be not the old ones. It was originally designed not to be used not only with guitar but for keyboard as well. So you got the preamp and you got low and high here, right? So and you got the little light here is the pick light. So I said before, it's very spongy. The way you get this sort of feel is by see how it shows when it's peaking a little bit? So I put it down. See? When it picks, it's distorting. Yeah, and the old ones, you had depth and rate in one knob, all together in one knob, and warm audio separated them. So you got the rate here. I'll show you what they do. That's the depth, and that's the rates. Rate is how fast. See. It sounds incredible. It's also, you can use it in stereo as well, left and right here, and I'll show you how it sounds. That's the chorus side, and if you want to go to vibrato, that's the vibrato. Just press it here. It sounds great, man. Then you got depth and rate again. It goes really fast if you want to. And it sounds great. See how with the preamp, if I pick harder, I can really make, I can just the notes I want, I can make just the notes I want distort. So for example, if I'm playing here, all clear, all nothing's distorting there, yeah? There you have it, the Pedall76 and the WA-C1 Chorus Vibrato by Warm Audio. I guess no one better than Warm Audio to come up with a pedal version of the 1176, since these guys have been making the WA-76, which is a rack mount version of it, of the 1176 compressor. And when you compare them side by side with the original, you can barely tell the difference. So these guys know what they are doing when it comes to 1176s. Very impressed by it. Once again, it has a cinematic transformer in it, just like the rack mount. And this is probably, man, even if you're not a chorus guy, as I said, you will love this. Very pleasing to play, very spongy as well. It's just a lot of fun to play. Once again, I want to thank Guitar Garage Bondi, Studio Connections Australia, and Warm Audio to send me the pedals. And yeah, check them out.